Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the voicemail notification sound on this device. So firstly we have to enter the dialer, and now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings, and here we've got the voicemail section, so let's enter. As you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the notifications, so simply tap here, and here you can decide if you'd like to be announced that you've got the notification from the voicemail, or you can tap on silent. It's really up to you, but let's focus on changing the sound. Here you've got the sound option, so let's tap on it, and now we've been transferred to the list of all defaultly installed sounds from which we can choose. Here we've got the default notification sound applied, but you can choose the silent, so obviously your device won't notify you about that, so I'm not really sure if it is the best option. And under it we've got some sounds. If you'd like to listen how the particular one actually sounds, then just tap on it. And if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, just like here, and now we can go back. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen sound. So actually that's all. This is how to change the notification sound from the voicemail in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.